I'm Alex Hewison, Director of Hewison Constructions, a family-owned and operated business based in Kiama, New South Wales. We consider ourselves very fortunate to be in a position to carry out all of our building work on the stunning south coast of New South Wales, and to be able to collaborate with talented local architects and designers who appreciate and intimately understand this area. The Port Kembla Beach House was designed by Adam Rosa of South Coast Building Design. When we reviewed the plans, we knew this would be a standout project, with its striking design for an expansive and modern 3-level home, together with its incredible location just steps from the Port Kembla Olympic seawater pool, and with panoramic views over South Beach. Probably two reasons we wanted to take on this project was its location, first and foremost. It's absolutely stunning, and it was an opportunity that we didn't want to miss, but also to be able to work with Adam as we have previously. We know that the projects are going to be finished beautifully and designed with that in mind. I like to think that the owners would have chosen us just because of the work we did in the preliminary stages, just to be able to develop a trust basis, I suppose. We take a long time and we take a lot of effort during our sort of tendering process. So we spend a lot of time, detailing finishes, little aspects of the project that weren't sort of detailed on plans. Even though Adam's completely thorough, there's always little aspects that sort of need to be looked into. So that time spent, I think, always helps when you're getting to know your builder or your client. Yeah, my process is a little bit different to others, I suppose. So I have to be hands-on. I can't sit back and watch the project sort of try and come together. I have to bring the project together. It's one of those things, I don't think I'd ever be able to do it any other way. I just have so much involvement with the initial process, with the clients talking about finishes, how I want a project to come together. So the only way for me to confidently deliver something is to be 100% involved. Like every build, it had its challenges and setbacks. Being a sand site and having such a large cut for retaining, an extensive system of 10-metre long screw piles was installed for the structure to bear on. Comprehensive engineering and detail were also required due to the significant mass of the structure, which included a suspended slab with combined retaining walls. Then, during critical stages of the groundwork and placement of foundations, we were hammered with 2 East Coast low systems in close succession, causing damage to the works and weeks of delays. The facade for me was the most impressive part of the project. It's the cantilevers sort of designed to achieve the look across all levels was just really well thought out by Adam. And yeah, they were a challenge to build. It was very detailed. Whenever you introduce suspended concrete and cantilevers, into a design, it's gonna be special. It's gonna bring a bit of wow factor to the project. Unfortunately, the construction industry was closed for a little while, which put a stop to any of us or our trades being able to carry on with the project. It had been, I think, twice that the clients had been to the site in the whole time that we've been getting the project out of the ground. When dealing with a complex build, there's lots and lots of sort of fine detail that has to be worked through. Finishes, ways that you carry out the construction that the clients are expecting. So to not have access to the clients and to not be able to have them come to site when I need them to was very challenging. Daryl and Rena had a lot of trust in me, and they also had a lot of trust in Adam, the designer. If that trust wasn't there, I do think that the job probably would have had to come to a halt. To best describe this project would just be to be completely unique. Unique in its location and the way that it's designed. It's sort of differentiating itself from your standard beach style, your Hampton style. It's really bringing something different and exciting to the area. Considering all the setbacks in the initial stages of the project, to get to where we are today and look back at the effort put in by everyone, our team, all the contractors and trades involved in the project, it's very humbling to see it all come together, and yeah, just super proud of everyone involved.